Hello kids! Another amazing day to keep learning English, and today we're just connecting sentences, something super easy but fun, I promise. They're broken in two, but with this magic chalk we will connect them. Okay, let's start reading the first one. The boy who has got a blue and long pencil is next to the door. Again. The boy who has got a blue and long pencil is next to the door. And which from these other sentences you feel connects, okay? Like keeps going. They are friends? No. She explains? She? No. He's waiting for instructions to do the activities? Come on, I know. It's the third one, right? Do you know the reason why? Because it's super easy. The first sentence starts, the boy who. And this third sentence here starts with he. He points refers to boy. It's a masculine pronoun, so it's the same, kind of the same sentence. So with the magic chalk, we connect them. Here we have them together. Okay, now let's read the second sentence. Let's see. The girls who are together writing words are spelling words in English. The girls who are together writing words are spelling words in English. What a long sentence, okay? The girls is plural. More than one. Not one, more. So I guess what? She or they? We need to see the pronoun. Which one is the one? She is just for one girl, and they are, right? More than one girl. That is the right one. They are friends. Great, and like to do English. So let's use the magic chalk. Bam, nice color. And finally, the last sentence. The woman who stands next to the boy and has and has long hair is the maths teacher, okay? The woman who stands next to the board and has long hair is the maths teacher. Not me, I'm not a maths teacher. Okay, so which one is the only missing here, the only left. So let's just connect them. But you know the reason, right? Because the woman and she, the pronoun, refers her to the woman, okay? Yes, they make sense together. So let's connect it. Here we have it. Remember, he is the pronoun, the masculine pronoun for just one boy, one man. She is the feminine pronoun for just one woman, one girl. And they refer groups, either masculine, feminine, or mixed, okay?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, my tiny marshmallows. Okay, so today, what are we doing? Relative clauses. Remember, the words we use to connect and give more information about the subject. In this case, we are working very much with who, all right? And who is for people. Boys, girls, okay? Boys, girls, men, yes? Women, all right? So let's go for it. Choose the correct words for each sentence. And here we have four structures, okay? Who stands, who has got, who are together, and who are. Let's go. The boy, the blue pencil is next to the door. Okay, the boy who stands, the blue pencil, doesn't make sense. This is an object, okay? Blue pencil. The door who has got the blue pencil is next to the door. Sounds good, yes. The boy who are together, the blue pencil, no, are together. This means one boy and one girl, more than one person. And the boy who are, the blue pencil is next to the door, neither, because it's the same. We have are, and are means more than one. So who has got is the right option. The boy who has got. The blue pencil is next to the door. Who has got, right? Yes, means he holds it. He has that possession. Great. Let's go for it. And here we can make it like this. The children, okay, not one boy, not one girl, but more than one. The children who are together on the carpet reading are younger kids, or the children who are on the carpet reading are younger kids. Okay, these two are good. Yes, these two are good. This is not okay because we have the S and that means it's just one person. And children is more than one. It means boys and girls together. So as we don't know which one is the correct for this one, let's keep reading the other two, and at the end we will decide. The girls who are writing words in English. The girls who are writing words are spelling words in English. Okay, the girls who, and can be, are together or are writing words are spelling words in English. So these two, for these two are good, and we don't care, we can put them on each side. Let's go for the last one. The woman, just one person, okay? The woman who stands next to the board is the maths teacher. So who stands? Yes, who stands next to the board is the maths teacher. Well done. And here, up to you, people. So I'm going to put in here the children who are together, or who are the children who are on the carpet reading are younger kids. Okay, I'm going to just write who are because the line we have is shorter, so that might be a reference. But in here, the girls who are together writing words are spelling words in English. Okay, yes, so that means they are together and writing all the words. Well done. Remember, okay, we are focusing on this relative clause, who, a word we use to give information about people. Yes, singular or plural. Well done, guys.